Morning everyone, Mike here at Pine Ridge Garage. It's a beautiful day out here. Yesterday we got 4 inches of snow, fresh snow. Trees are looking beautiful here at old Pine Ridge Garage. Got the plowing done this morning, so we're all good there. So anyways, today what we got to do is work on the Superduty. Big old Ford Superduty here. Today we are going to change the 2 fuel filters on this truck, and we'll go through that and how to do that. So we got one of these Ford Super Duties with the 6.7 diesel. You'll be able to see what it takes to change the 2 filters. There's one underneath by the tank, and then there's one under the hood here. So I'll show you those. There's those LED lights strips that we put on. Saw that other video. And anyways, so let me get this truck over here and we'll put it up on the lift, and we'll show you how to change that. Right at the fuel tank. So let's get these opened and I'll show these to you. This is the water separator, goes by the fuel tank. There's a gasket for the holder. Then there's the under the hood one, which is that one. Off eBay from one of the Ford dealer supply channels. There's the part number, FD4625AA. Factory part number there is HC3Z9N184-J. That includes both these. So let's go under here and I'll show you where these are at. So like I was saying, right here's one right here, and then the other one's under the hood. So okay, so right here is where this filter is. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts that hold this cover on. It's got a drain here This is the factory one. It's plastic. A lot of people replace them because these little tabs will break off, and that's not good. So you can get an aluminum billet one. I bought it off eBay. Several diesel supply places that sell them, and you can get them. I highly recommend you get an aluminum one. It's an aluminum billet one, so I highly recommend you get that. So we'll just kind of, hopefully you can see that. Get that to drain. I believe that's number 8 screw. That all to drain out. Like I say, it does, it's a water separator, so it does separate the water from the fuel. And there is safety features on your truck that if you do get water in your fuel, it will shut it down or depower it, give you a warning on your dash. So that's it right there. This is the filter. Pops right out of it. Put that in there. Here's the gasket. Peel the gasket out. This gasket it's symmetrically made, and so you can't really get it upside down or not. But just check over where it rides in that groove. Make sure it's clean. Just start it by hand. Gonna push it down in there. There you go. Just give this surface a wipe. New one comes in a Ziploc bag. Pull it out. It's got a washer there, like the old one does. So you can tell which way it sits in here. There's spot for it to sit here on this peg. Push it over, locks in place, and then it goes back up again. Like so, get it started. Okay, now we'll change this one under the hood. So where that's at is right there. That right there, so hang on. Alright, so this is that filter that I was telling. This is the what they call under the hood filter. So there's some clips here. Push in on them. You lower that red clip down, and then there's this clip that gets removed. That's that one that's in the kit. And then there's this brown one. And that one slides up like so, and then this blue one you rotate. There's actually two spots on this blue one, up above here and then one under here, so you have to pull forward and push. Will bottom out there. So then that one comes off. You get a little fluid, so it's probably a good idea to just drop and then that one pulls off. Just gotta be careful not to break them because they are hard plastic. And then this one, that one, you loosen it up, and then there's a spot right there and one on the bottom that you squeeze to get that one off. Alright. So then what you do is you twist this. Make sure you don't catch any of these, but you twist it like so. There, and then it pulls out. Whoop. Just be careful not to drip too much. And we'll take that over here and we'll drain it. Go get a couple more rags. So here's the new one. And like I say, you got to drop it in, then you twist, and this little tab locks in down in the holder, because it's a holder right down in there. If you can see. This is cup-like. Anyways, that goes down, locks in, and then there's this also that locks into the thing. So we'll put it back in right now. So that goes in, lines up, sets down all the way, and then it rotates. There, locked in. So then, just gotta remember which ones you had. So this one went here. That pushes on. Push the clip up, take the plastic cap off of this one, and carefully, come on, there we go. Get that one and it snaps on. Snap the clip. Then this one. Same kind of deal, it just pushes on. This the kit comes with that clip. Let me pop that off and I'll show you what that is, what's behind it. Okay, so I got it off. So what this is, these are two clamshells. They go on this line. It's to help keep this from, I guess, separating from the tubing. So They can put that back on. Push this clip back down. Whoop, yeah. Just like so. There. So then, that's all on. I like to leave my rags right there just in case there's a leak. It should never be, but those are on, clips are in. Then what you do is you go and you'll if you have a key, just turn it to the on position. Don't try to start it, just turn it to the on, and you'll do that 4 to 6 times. Turn it on, then turn it off, turn it on. Again, don't push your brake, don't try to go to start, just turn the key on. The fuel pump will kick in, it'll fill this, it fills the other one, and then this. And you do it 5 or 6 times, 4 to 6 I should say. And then you should be able to start it normal. Now in my truck I have the push button start, so I just won't touch my brake. I just hit the button and it comes on, the pump kicks in, and I hit it again, it turns it off. So I'll do that right now. Okay, there you go. Filters changed. Ford does recommend, according to the manual, it says every 15,000 miles. I usually change them between 15 and 20, just to be up on it. And you never know what the fuels that we're getting today. But anyways, that's how simple it is. Maintenance on these isn't that hard. It's like changing the oil. But there you go. Changing the fuel filters on a 2017 F250 Power Stroke 6.7 diesel. So you guys can do it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Please give me a like and a subscribe to my channel. We really appreciate it here at Pine Ridge Garage. We thank you. Have a good day and God bless.